Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we'll be taking a look at VGA cables. VGA is a video-only signal, meaning no audio. Unfortunately, VGA is slightly outdated due to HDMI, but it's still very widely used and provides great signal strength. This is our panel mount VGA extension cable. They are made using a combination of coax and twisted pair cable and are shielded for maximum signal integrity. These are the perfect solution when you want to extend your VGA run. The cable features a female VGA port that can be panel mounted into any wall plate or surface mount box. The cable includes all the mounting hardware you need for a quick and easy installation every time. The cable is available in sizes ranging from 6 inches to 100 feet. Hopefully this has answered any questions you may have had on VGA cables. If you're still having trouble or have any questions that weren't answered here, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.